man. Y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Taysvlogs, man. Y'all already know when I get on YouTube, it do get crazy.
Round 3, team no outfit. Let's go. This is what I want y'all to do for me. Oh shit, look at the knees. Oh shit. Not the ankle grab. She walking with that bitch. Dancing with that bitch. Go. Oh, that cheat. They got double action. That mother came back with a yep, that was a remix. Slim, you hold it down for the team outfit. I mean the no outfit, you hold it down for them. Team outfit, they looking disgusting. They like they came, okay, you ready? Let's go. I am a good DJ. Y'all recognize she took off her motherfucking shoes? She didn't come to play tonight. She came to slay. Look at everybody getting closer. Ladies and gentlemen, feature field, let's go. These outfit ain't bullshit right there. All right, team outfit. Pull your player back off the field. Get your dog. Come on, get your dog. Yeah. Get your dog. All right.
Team no outfit, go.
Yeah, hold on. Team
no outfit.
Who y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Team outfit or team no outfit?
Team outfit. Team outfit.
If y'all think team outfit won, let me make a little noise. All right. Oh, team no outfit. Y'all make a little noise for team no outfit. Sound like a motherfucking runoff to me. Sound like one more round. One more round. Ratchet Fest 2023 is going down. Oh shit, she getting on her head. There's an old school nigga somewhere right now like I fucked the shit up right there. Get in that position. Right there. You stay right there. Keep that booty right there. Keep that booty right there. Keep that booty right there. Throw that booty in a circle. Let me see. Throw that booty in a circle. Let me see. Keep your outfit. Keep that booty rolling. Work that booty in a circle. Shit. Do your best dance. Looking silky slim. Bouncing on that ass. Get it. Go with it. Bounce to the floor with it. Bounce to the floor with it. Get the guy with it. It's Ratchet Fest. Ooh, she got her hand behind your head. Ooh, then she throw the fucking sign. When she grab the fucking dress. Ooh, work. Bring that little booty. Oh, booty on the ground. Booty on the ground. Booty on the ground. Ooh, got them knees on the ground. Ooh, got them knees on the ground. Ooh, got them knees on the ground. Work that ratchet. Put it on the ground. Work that little booty go. Work that little booty go. Work that big booty go. Ew, work that little booty go. Hey, ooh. Uh-oh. They got two white shorts. They trying to jump you, little Slim. They got two white shorts on. Ooh, make that booty do a big old trick. In, ratchet for the bitch. Go. Ooh, she turned around. She dropped it low. tricycle, don't you? Get on back to that tricycle then. Ooh. Green head. Ain't coming to bullshit with y'all then. Ratchet fit. Ooh, keep that booty going. Keep that booty going. Ooh, keep that booty going. You too country, keep that booty rolling. We can keep that. Ooh, she got real freaky. Big girl got freaky. Ooh, she got that blood purse on. She gotta get freaky. Ooh, she trying to hit her from the back. Ooh, then she trying to hit that booty from the back. Queen, trying to hit that booty from the back. Oh, all y'all get behind each other then. Where can I go? Ooh, keep that shit going in the train. Train it up. Ooh, dance your best friend. Go. Keep that booty fucking. Ooh, let that big booty go. Let that big booty go. Dance your best friend. Go. Dance your best friend. Ooh, take it forward. Take it forward. Walk forward. Walk forward. When you do it, shit. Walk forward. Walk forward. Put that shit in reverse. Bring it back, goddammit. Let's go.
Bring it home, go. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it.
My homie with that red hair with the blue jean shirt. What you doing? Dance on your best friend. Let's go.
Bring it back. Free hoes, don't bring it back.
Blue jean shorts. I see you.
Bring it back.
Oh.
Free hoes, don't.
Try to answer. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Bring it back.
Bring it back.
Bring it back.
East Texas.
Bring it back.
We got the fastest thing on 4 wheels.
Free hoes, don't bring it back. Free hoes, don't bring it back. Free hoes, don't bring it back. Free hoes, don't bring it back.
Bring it back like you stole it. That booty be swollen. It pop like a perky. It's hard to control. Not talking with Smith when I tell you.
What that orange thing over there doing?
Twisters that booty.
It's a battle of orange. You know I'm messing. Let's go. You know I'm messing. Let's go shit. Y'all ain't got to know what that walk out there. Y'all supposed to be just like a pit bull fight. Y'all see each other. Let's go.
Booty be swollen. It pop like a perky. It's hard to control.
They done came and got you. Oh shit.
Freaking hoes go. Bring it back. Bring it back. No, it ain't taking trouble.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen. It's the battle of DJ wives. Let's go. The car race wives and the DJ wives. Let's go. Hey, it's the battle of wives. Yes, sir. For the wives. The car race man said we didn't bet his car. Freeze.
Hey!
Ladies and gentlemen, y'all make some noise for the orange. So ladies, y'all back the fuck up. All my niggas over 35. All the niggas over 35. We gotta give y'all a little money. Y'all niggas get on out there. Over 35 niggas, you think you still got to move? Think you still got to move? We got the 100. We got the 100 bunny. Come out here and show your best move, nigga. Think about it. Think about it. Oh, come on out here with me. Oh shit! Oh shit! Get your camera phone ready. Keep your goddamn camera phone rolling. That nigga faked us out. That nigga faked us out. That was the best pump fake in the world. Hey, I just need one. We got 100 on the line. Candace, Sweden. That's right, Papa. That's right, Papa. Oh shit! He got a challenger! I told you! Watch out, wife. Don't try to jump in on it. Watch out, wife. Watch out, wife. He 54. He 54. What you want to do, little nigga? Let's go. 54. 54. 54. 54. 54. 54 shit, man. Let's go. Oh shit! I forgot the song. Let's go. Oh shit! Production. Let's go. Let's go. Now you on him with the shoes, with the LeBron. Me and my daughter gonna take this motherfucker. Me and my daughter gonna take this motherfucker. Candace, Sweden, go. Let them see you. Freeze. Before your ass need asthma pump. All right, where that hit at? Get that hit for my nigga. All right, I got the whole. We gotta get a winner. We gotta get a winner. Stand to the middle. Brown shirt, go. Brown shirt, go to the middle, cause we know you got a fast ass car. For the 40 and up. Let's go. Show me what you know, DJ. 2010 and 2011 Y'all better fuck it up. Y'all better fuck it up. This is Ratchet Fat 2023. Are you ready? You know what is this for the over 40 click? You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Everybody do what? Yes, sir. Now, black folks, this ain't y'all race. Y'all back up. Y'all gotta get the white people. You know, hey, gotta get them a little room. Gotta get them a whole lot of room. Get them a whole lot of room. Y'all back up. All the colors. Yeah, y'all back up. Y'all back up just a second. Y'all back up. All right. Y'all get y'all camera phones out like y'all always do, and film this shit. All right. Oh shit. Oh. Yes sir. Oh fuck. I don't know what the fuck this shit gonna be, but this shit gonna be. Oh shit, she here. I really would like to interview y'all to find out what y'all name is, but fuck it. Alright, y'all ready? Whatever music come on, y'all take the fuck off. Alright? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're not drunk, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to fuck up. Ladies and gentlemen, represent Empire. A white boy in the middle can't believe he the fuck out there. Everybody put one hand to the sky, let me see it. This is how we do it. Here we go. Everybody put your hands in there for the white people. So we can dream my cardigan. Here we go, Sugar Man. Chicago, goddamn. Hey. Jumped in the car, here I am.
Alright, man, my boy Real done finally pulled up, man. I didn't even know he was bringing the box Chevy. This is the first time I'm seeing the Chevy in person, but still got to get the C8, man. One of the most viral C8. Well, I ain't gonna say most, the most viral C8 right now, in my opinion. Real gang, man. Y'all already know what's on, man. Go follow my boy, man. Y'all know what's on. If y'all ain't already following him, he got this nasty ass C8 out here, man.
Hey, put the number on there. Tell him to come get it for the 20.
Say that again. Hold on. Let me put the number on there first.
Come get it for the 20.
Then we gonna show him what we working with. Old 455, man. Y'all see what's going on. But what you want with this?
Number 20.
That's it, man. Hey, that's it. Y'all see the number. Y'all see what's going on, man. If you're trying to get slick for the summer, pull up on my man with a dub, and he gonna get you right. So Real got the box out. I didn't even know he was bringing this joint. This is the first time I seen this joint in person though. Them big gold 4Gs, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I gotta throw some 4Gs on something just cause I been, man, they be looking good, man. Got the big dually out. Matching the C8. You see the, hold on. You see what's going on. See what's going on, Real gang. I see you, my boy, I see you. That's how you coming, bro. That's how you feel. It do get crazy when Rail just pulled up on them with 3 exotic cars. It do get crazy. That's crazy. Man, what Rail ass at, matter of fact? I'm hiding in the AC, man, but look at my boy Rail, man. Look, he admiring that big truck. You like that big truck, don't you, Rail? You like that big truck, don't you, my boy? I'm hiding in the AC, y'all.
No, you missed.
What you wanted to or something? What you thought you was gonna win or something? Hey, turn the music on there, let me see. What you talking about? Turn the music on, let me see something. Just make sure it don't come up. Make sure it don't come up. Hold on, like do a little bounce. Let me see if it's gonna move. Let me see. Okay, yeah, you probably would have won. Shit, you probably would have won.
Can't focus in on the eyeball.
We're trying to make always making excuses.
On the real, I always see that joint out there. Yeah, I always see it.
Right there too, that Explorer, he probably told him with them.
Yeah.
You see it right there? The Explorer.
Okay, yeah, I see it back there. In the cut. In the cut right there. Yeah, be sure pull it over there. Man, look at them looking at me crazy, man. I'm saying something. We have a public interview. Why y'all looking at me crazy like that though?
Don't get too crazy. Right.
Hey, Tay. Man, I ain't never met y'all before, man. I gotta get a picture with you on Rail, man.
Oh, you gotta get a picture with you ain't never met us before?
Sweet home, Alabama. Come on, I ain't never met these guys before, man. They might boost some of you. Come on now, I'm trying to make something out of
that black tie and the blue, you bro.
Hold up, I'm trying to boost my YouTube.
And it do get credit when in front of the white ghost with the red bottoms on.
Hold on.
What'd you say, guys?
All right, come on, man.
What'd you say?
I'm trying to get my viewers up, man.
So what you about to do?
I'm gonna throw the symbol up.
Why do you in the bottom?
Come on, man. Hold up.
Man, this nigga what?
He trying to get famous, man.
So you trying to blow, Stank?
Come on, man.
What? Ooh, damn, he jumped quick too. I ain't gonna lie, Stank. Let me get the hat.
He go for the 30.
No, that nigga jumped straight to a honey bun. Damn. Yeah, I got you, bro.
Man, y'all go subscribe, man. Matter of fact, hey, if y'all feel bad for me, look at my phone. Look at my phone, man. Make sure y'all. I'm gonna do a raffle, man. Y'all.
You gonna do a raffle?
Hey, I'm gonna show you the quickest way to get 100,000 followers.
How?
Go on the internet. You know what I'm saying? No matter what you do, go to all them hidden messages that's up in your DM. And then them hidden messages, they gonna say, hey, can you buy followers? And just purchase that 100K and you good. Hold up.
Hey, go look up Stank gonna have 101,000 tomorrow, mother. He looking at the message now. Look, he like, hold on, wait, we going to
how much they pay for them steaks? Shit, they charged me a good 5,000 for 100K. Shit. Hey, I had to do it. I was trying to get there. Hey, y'all. Y'all see me tomorrow? 50K subscribers. Shout out to my bro, Rail. 50K subscribers on the way, man.
You tired of playing, huh, Stank? You tired of playing, man? Yeah, it's like that, yeah.
Rail on my channel. Subscribe. I had to talk to y'all silent and sit and go, hey, this get crazy.
Yeah.
Like you gotta talk to the whole world on the low. Everybody watch this video goes. He said, hey, this dude get crazy, just subscribe to the channel.
Hey, on the real though, y'all.
Like talking to somebody named
Yeah. Then he said, hey, on the real though, y'all. Nigga funny, man.
I want some of your followers too. He said,
Okay, where's the ring
You
at?
get crazy with Rail 1. How many trophies, bro? 2 of you.
all right, so tonight.
And play some music because the best overall show gonna go some shit.
As we get ready
say this motherfucker beautiful, it is beautiful.
My baby, born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in the streets, so
You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so
I got it off the block.
been working my whole life.
But I ain't never punched a clock. 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot. Damn.
Not just a ring, not just a dating on the deep of it, not just a dating with the matching earring. Best of show goes to Savannah Reagan, 63 Impala. Best of show, where you at? Y'all give a round of applause as they make their way. Best of show. Ladies and gentlemen, when y'all married to the game, she said, I do.
I said, right now, stay low, make sure they don't see.
Even the kids celebrate with you. Let's go, Savannah Reagan. She is a champion.
Kiss me when I can't sleep, bang on when I see you. Play with me, you can't sleep. We got into the sea.
She got the belt, the ring,
Rearrange your shit soon as they
every damn thing in the kitchen sink.
your 16 2 we space. Your man some.
Come on, man. I had the phone died on me, so yeah, man. My boy done came out here and lost cap, man. These are custom caps, man. Y'all can read that billionaire Brent, man. Y'all see what and they the floating caps. And they the floating caps. With the big F-150 too. Oh, this got the panoramic roof in this joint. I know you driving good. Rolling like a Cadillac, huh? Even with the car back there? Huh. What year this is? 22. I knew it was new shit. You don't even really see this style. Then it's two-toned already from the factory?
No, I did all that.
Oh, so you did do that. Okay, I was about to say, yeah. With the white truck with the white truck. Man, this trailer right here, the most famous trailer on the internet, man. I don't care what nobody say, man.
But everybody wants, this ain't your regular wide bike.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay, bye.